So here we are, Bremerton Pirate Days, and Wally dressed for the occasion. So a whole pirate hat. He's got stuff. He's got a telescope. Yeah, he's set to go. So.
That looks really neat. Not a lot. That's so cute. Oh, you did? Yeah, I did. Pirate actors watching. He's over there. Oh, that is so cool. So well done. I asked you, oh, Wally even found his pirate gear.
That's way cool.
R2D2's at This is the coolest thing I've seen all day. Just saying. That's perfect.
You got us?
My pocket instead of mask. Okay. Okay. I'll be open Monday.
I got you back. Oh, okay.
Where are you at? Oh, okay.
You're looking good. There's an R2D2.
We're vending now. I don't mess with You tell her who's boss, Ben. You tell her.